If you can't hear any sound through the built-in speakers of your Insignia Fire TV, these speakers are not working, you can see picture but there's no sound, low volume, echoing or delay, music sounds muffled or too sharp, or there's a pop-up that says volume control unavailable, then let me show you how to fix any audio issues with your Insignia Smart TV's built-in TV speakers. We will start by checking the sound settings. You can easily bring it up by pressing the settings button on your Insignia Fire remote. This will open the quick settings and from there go down to sound. Now if any of these settings are delayed and you can't access them, then it means your TV's sound output is not set to TV speakers. So make sure that your TV is not connected to any HDMI, optical or Bluetooth audio device. And after you have disconnected them, all these settings will be available. Now that we can access these settings, make sure that TV speaker is not turned off. Also, if you're hearing echoing, muffled or delayed sound, you can fix it easily by resetting the sound settings from here by pressing on reset. But if you don't have any external audio devices connected and still can't access your TV's sound settings, then we will cold boot our TV and that will fix this issue. For that, just unplug your TV from the power and wait for around 5 minutes. Then turn your TV back on and now your TV speakers should play sound normally. But if your built-in TV speakers are still not fixed, then this may be a hardware issue and you can contact customer service by visiting insigniaproducts.com. Let us know how it went and I'll see you in the next one.